Welcome again to Budget with Brian, and hey, I thought I'd update you on the Bodgeometer because we now have over 600 subscribers and we've had nearly 300,000 viewings. The Bodgeometer says we've got 175 films and there's the subscribers, 603 now, and the number of viewings. So just short of 300,000. So thank you all very, very, very much for supporting the channel. I'll continue to give my best to it, but always, if you've got comments, don't hesitate to put them and enter them below. Thank you again, you lovely subscribers, for watching Budget with Brian.